Hey guys, so I'm having a little trouble starting my car. I went ahead and changed all the coils and spark plugs. This wiring harness right here wasn't connected properly to the original harness, so I had to splice them and heat shrink them to these little connectors that solder the wires together. So there should be a good connection there. I also changed the alternator. And I changed the starter as well, and also the battery. So a brand new battery. And let's start it up and see what it sounds like, what it looks like on the dash. So hopefully you can hear this. So you can see it's just not starting.
Early childhood development.
Let's do that one more time. So yeah, that's it. Not starting, and I'm